One of the most common questions beginners ask is, do I need a website to make money with ClickBank? And for many people, this question becomes a barrier because building a website feels complicated, technical, time-consuming, expensive. The short answer is simple. No, you don't need a website. But that's not the full picture, because the real question is not about having a website, it's about having a structure. Most beginners associate online business with websites, landing pages, funnels, custom domains, and while these can help, they are not the starting point. They are tools, not the system itself. Instead of a website, you need a path, a way for people to move from attention, interest, click, product. This can happen through videos, social media profiles, simple platforms. The website is just one way to organize this, not the only way. A website starts to make sense later, when you want more control, better tracking, better structure, better scalability. But at the beginning, it can actually slow you down because it adds complexity before the basics are clear. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is focusing on building things instead of building flow. Spending time on design, pages, tools, without having traffic, without having a working process, and nothing moves. What matters in the beginning is simple. Traffic source, content, consistency. If people are not coming in, a website won't fix that. But if traffic exists, even a simple structure can work. Simple systems often perform better in the beginning because they are easier to execute, faster to test, and easier to adjust. Complex systems only make sense after something is already working. So, do you need a website for ClickBank? No, but you do need a structure, a clear path from attention to action, because that's what actually creates results. If you want to see how this structure is organized step by step, there is a full breakdown available in the description below.